We're gonna give you a glove.
Just so nobody touches it. You can, I mean, you can take my fork if you want. I'll be wearing gloves.
Okay, let me know when I should start videoing.
You should erase some.
All right.
No.
So.
Okay.
It's finally here. This is my Carolina Reaper pepper. Average 1.5 million Scoville. Record 2.2. And we're gonna eat it. Okay. Trusty pepper knife. So I'm gonna cut it.
We'll sweat already.
Yeah, I know. Wow, it smells really hot. Yeah.
It's pretty sinister looking, Pete.
You gotta smell this thing.
Smell it.
Put it like this, I guess. I'll take half. You guys want to? A little bit. It's a little bit less than a third.
Just plenty, no? Cut that up in chunks.
You want to
Take the thing off of it?
All right. You know what? I'll give you the tail.
Yeah.
That's fine. Oh, that'd be too big a piece. It's alright.
Do you want more?
It's alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
get a little more.
Brilliant. I just want to say, look at the oil on coming out of these pieces. Sitting in there.
Oh goddamn! I smell it.
Do you smell it? All right. Here's your.
Wait, what's your dad?
You get your fork and grab it, because.
There's a hair of mine.
Is it really? No.
You do that.
It's not mine.
I'm gonna search.
You're going for it?
Wait. Wait till I get ready.
So what's the technique, Pete? Just chew it up?
Chew it up. Don't spit anything out. Chew it up to like a pulp, like a paste. And don't spit anything out. That's all you can do.
I mean, don't spit it out.
Green fire one, aren't you?
I'm gonna eat the
Yeah,
stem.
well,
You need the stem too?
Don't like your body makes spit. Don't spit any of that out. You need that for your stomach. Right. I just want to say it's dripping with oil. The inside. Look at that. It's like pooled in there.
Is that the hot part?
Hot part's all this placenta that's everywhere. That like light pink.
Okay.
Okay. Ready, guys?
Ready?
1,
3.
2, 3.
Let's do it.
Is it hot?
Hot. I guess it's a building hot, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's spicy.
Hot. You alright, Will?
Oh, it's building.
It's only gotten hotter.
Damn. My throat is like.
Back of your throat.
Hoot.
Yeah. Burning holes in the back of my throat.
Oh. I'm gonna wait it out like zen.
You alright, bud?
Oh. Woo. That is
So hot.
unreal.
It's disgusting. How hot it is.
Oh my god. It's still going.
Well,
Yeah, it's getting hotter.
It's getting.
Stays with you.
It feels like my throat is bleeding.
Yeah.
My whole mouth is numb.
It's the throat, yeah.
The back of my throat is like.
This is sick.
the damage is done.
And the dogs could eat that and not even react. Imagine that.
Oh man.
Good job, Pete.
Yeah, thanks.
How you gonna feel
God.
now?
Damn.
Doesn't go away.
It's not going away.
It's getting hotter.
It's just getting hotter.
It's still getting hotter. It's unbelievable.
Right.
My throat is on fire.
Well, you haven't even eaten anything. They've all ate tortilla.
I'm trying to wait it out. See how long I can go. And also my chest.
I don't know if tortilla does anything.
It's not doing
Try
shit.
the hamburger roll. It's thicker.
My lips feel like I kissed fire.
I'm going for the ginger tea.
I didn't let it touch my lips.
They touched my lips. It's such a bad idea.
Definitely a bad idea.
All right.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to taste anything again.
God. Whew. Is anyone else pouring sweat?
Yeah. My ass is
Jared.
sweaty.
Forehead is on fire.
You survived.
It's building.
It's getting so
His eyes are watery.
It builds.
hot.
You got veins like bulging out of your head, Pete.
It's building like you can't believe, Bridget.
It's going. Whoa.
Yeah, but you didn't even eat anything.
Good, Pete.
Such an accomplishment.
I think I burned a hole in the back of my throat, though.
Anyone catch it in their chest yet? My chest is heating up. Wow. That's
Was
hot.
it? Was it worth it?
It's definitely the hottest thing I've ever eaten.
It's, yeah.
It's the hottest thing anybody's ever eaten.
It's disgusting.
Easily.
It's disgustingly hot.
The world record, isn't it?
Yeah. Until next year. Oh, my chest.
My chest looks like.
Wait, does that happen to you?
Yeah.
Maybe if you wipe your knife off.
No, not quite.
No.
It's redder. Willie's pretty red, too.
His eyes are puffy.
It's
My
dissipating
tongue
though.
burns so bad.
My stomach and my,
My
chest.
chest.
Is hot?
I think I ate a fireball.
Oh, it's so hot. Don't burp. Don't burp.
Don't burp, you'll die.
Don't burp.
Man.
You shouldn't have bit that butt onto your lip like that. You know?
I'm tearing.
Everybody wash your hands.
I'm tearing.
And wash them really
Is my
good.
lip burnt? It feels burnt. It feels dry like it's burnt.
No.
Yeah, touch it. Red.
Ginger tea. Anyone want some ice cream?
I think he does.
This ginger tea
Scoop it on your plate.
is great. You want
No,
some of this?
no, no, there's
It's
no
working
one.
really well.
Did you make it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, Bridget, you put it right in the pepper juice.
Oh, I'm
I can't even eat that.
so sorry.
Do it.
Don't put it. No,
No, no, not on the plate.
You can
Keep
eat
it
the
here.
top half.
You might have had to do kind of ice.
Do you want ice cream? Spoon.
Spoon.
Want some?
That was pretty close to where the pepper was, but
I think you should be okay.
That is so good.
It's so good.
oh, I don't want you guys.
Oh, you don't want it right now?
No, thank you.
Put it back in the thing.
Give me that. It's delicious. It's so good.
Yeah, it's going away though.
Going.
Is it going well?
And then
It's really dissipated, like
just the back of my
majorly.
throat.
Maybe you should take some ice cream.
No, I'm not even from that. I mean, just in
Oh.
general, it's going away.
We need a stronger one now.
Coming next year. I'm not growing it.
Here you are.
I'm not.
My tongue hurts really bad.
You gotta have ice cream.
Can't wait to get heartburn.
I think burping might be a bad idea, but I think you're right.
You got a burp?
I burped. It hurt so
Get
bad.
to
Fuck
relive the
fire.
experience.
Oh yeah, don't burp.
It was hot. It's gone though.
It's good. Good job, guys.
Well, it's not gone, but it's dissipated.
It's.
Still feel it in my tongue and my lips.
I feel it in my chest,
It's moved to my chest.
my chest,
Oh,
and my lip.
Did I mention I got Ebola? virus?
Oh, I burped.
That was pretty bad.
Every time I eat hot
Yeah,
food, it
that's
gets like that.
crazy.
Actually,
Skin flushing.
she's getting a second wind right now in my
Why did you
mouth.
get that piece?
Even alcohol
My
does that
tongue
to me.
is-
You get skin flushed.
Oh, this thing. Runs in the family.
Hot food though. Every time I eat hot food, like. You know what though? It didn't taste bad. It tastes better than a habanero taste.
Yeah, it's not as nasty.
Well, it's okay.
Almost sweet before it got hot.
No, now you're just being a dick.
No, really. It really was.
I don't
Yeah.
think it is
I don't know
sweet
about
either.
sweet.
His tongue looks like it's hurting still.
Like now? Do you taste it now?
Oh man, I burped again.
Do you taste it now? It's like orange-ish.
I just feel my tongue on fire still.
My lip is more on fire than my tongue though. Over here,
You can't let it touch your lips or your eyes.
Oh,
I
that
did that
move.
with habanero.
it
Wash
hurts
your
so
hands.
bad.
Burns
I'm gonna
forever.
wash them. I'm gonna go wash mine actually.
You just gotta put it in your
Because I
mouth.
had to
Yeah,
go
you guys
outside.
gotta throw out everything.
No, in case you go to the
Alright,
bathroom
man,
or
he
something.
survives.
Survival.
Does anyone else's teeth hurt?
I was gonna wash them in there.
My teeth hurt.
Huh? I don't know. I want
Then
to
someone jumps in the pool.
Get.
Is that doing video?
Yeah.
I don't think he stopped it.
Shut it off. That piece.
I don't even know how to do it. I'll erase the video by accident.
Bring on the next one.
Next one's that chocolate Bhutlah. It's 3 of those.
Is it? 3
It's next-
times this?
Next year it'll be out.
That's the hottest we got, right?
This is the hottest in the world right now. It takes 3 years for it to become an official subspecies. It's on year 2. Pete said the 3rd year, because they basically have to wait until the entire plant is equally as hot. Like you can't have one hot pepper, and then the rest of them not be hot. So it takes 3 growing seasons, Pete said, for the whole tree to get hot. What's the name of the one coming out next year?
Chocolate Douglah.
Chocolate Bhutlah. And how much hotter is it?
They didn't test it. It's gonna be way hotter. It's gonna be at least double.
Gotta wipe that knife off, Pete, before you forget it.
That's my pepper knife only. I cut all the habaneros with that knife too.
Wipe it off anyway.
I will.
That's it.
There's still some on there.
Yeah, I see that. I will think about it.
You might have started the trend. Hot ice cream.
I feel much better now.
Yeah.
It's pretty much gone.
My chest is still hot.
Yeah, my chest is hot.
My lips still hot. My mouth's not hot.
No. I got it on like the roof of my mouth on one corner. And then my chest. Not
Tongue's
that
on fire.
bad.
My
Really,
lip
Phil?
is definitely the hottest. Over
They
here.
look red.
Over here feels swollen.
Wow. You put lipstick on there,
They look
Phil.
red, but
Over here it's really
Can I
hot.
see?
It's swollen.
it is a little
Yeah,
red.
right
Look at
here.
those little swollen
On the
It
side.
feels swollen.
Probably scrubbed out.
Yours is pretty red too,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
lips.
Yeah.
They don't hurt at all.
I don't want to get down your eye.
Yeah, because that might.
I'll be alright.
Well, alright.
So what's next, Pete?
Chocolate Douglah.
No, Trinidad Scorpion. Trinidad Butch T Scorpion. That should be ready like Monday.
Hotter than this?
No, this is the hottest one.
This is the hottest.
It's no second place. However, it averages just as hot. The average of this is 1.5, that average is 1.5. The world record is 2.2. The world record of that is like 1.6.
Gotta make something out of this.
When's Byron eating one?
I can bring that to him next week if he wants it. I have like 50 peppers on it.
Video him eating that.
I think that video's still going.
Make him eat a whole one.
Make him and Frank split one.
Frank, ate one.
Ate one of these.